Hi guys, I can proudly announce that the Cryptodealerz Trading Mastery is live right now. Yeah, everything you need to become a professional trader. As of right now, there are 53 videos, yeah, and easy to follow and suitable even for total beginners. Yeah, the course has been open for a test group since we did some kind of soft launch, and because I really wanted to deliver a top product. Yeah, so we respected the feedback of the test group and of the people using it, and yeah, it's really good, guys. Let me show you. It covers everything you need to become a professional trader, really everything. I will show you introduction to trading, market analysis, trading strategies, indicators, trading psychology, risk management, trading plan development, advanced chart analysis, help and support, and much more. That's just a short introduction. We have three different packages. We have the Trading Mastery Premium, and Trading Mastery Elite. So if you click on buy now, this will bring you to the store here, as you can see. And I have to say the prices will go up soon. Yeah, the prices will just stay this low for a short time. And as you can see here, live life on your own terms. And here you can see the differences between the packages. Basically, all of the packages include the basic trading course, so to say, and here the major differences are that you have access to, for example, you have always the 53 videos. The differences are then the support. Here you have live calls, and you always have like quizzes and exams. You can have a look on the homepage cryptodealerz.com. You can check out all the different courses, and if you click, for example, on get package, then you will see here, for example, then you go to add to cart. We have all the checkout process on our own homepage, so everything is handled with highest security standards. And once you're logged in, I mean, you can buy everything on the homepage, and you get email confirmation, all of this. And once you're logged in, let me show you the back end. Hello, test customer. Then here you will see the courses that you're enrolled to. You can change your profile and your password. All of this is here in the back end. And once you click on here, you could rate the course here, for example. Once you click here, then you will see, okay, you're enrolled to Trading Mastery, and 2%, you have completed 2%, then you can continue learning, okay? So let me show you how the course itself looks. For example, I will just show you a short introduction here. You have here all the lessons, you have quizzes, you have videos. For example, trading knowledge. As you can see here, there are 16 items in this here, and finished 0 as of right now. Here, introduction, we are starting here, you see video 1 of 7. Then you could mark the video as complete, and then the progress bar will go up. Let's say you will have more percentage here. So that's basically how it looks, guys. Yeah, hope you like it. So guys, the link, of course, is down in the description. So I hope you like the course and you will become a successful trader.